Hey, it's Joy, your travel expert here on Odyssey of the Sea, and we are in a veranda extended balcony room. We're going to start out in here in the bathroom. There's a shower, a toilet, and a little bit of storage. And then this type of room has basically two closets instead of one. So you have the longer one with the hangers, and a little plug and some storage beside the bed. This is a queen. Then you have a second closet with your safe, and then some drawers below. Then you have the couch that converts into a queen bed. This will be pulled out and popped up later to create one big bed. Then you have a refrigerator, some more storage, lamp, a desk, and then like I said, this is the extended balcony. This is a little bit bigger than your regular veranda. These chairs actually lay down. Do some sunbathing if you like. It's about twice the size as a regular balcony. And then again, we're on Odyssey of the Sea.